Hey, what is going on guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. So I've been using a normal keyboard for years, but I always wanted to get a mechanical one. So I did some research and ended up buying the Havit Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. And like most of the things I review on this channel, this is also one of those budget products that will surprise you. The link to this keyboard will be down below in the description so you can check it out, and without any further ado, let's get right into it. Starting off with the unboxing, it's pretty simple. In the box you will get the keyboard itself, a wrist holder, a keycap puller, and some paperwork. Now, let's start off with the design and build quality. And the first thing you notice is that this keyboard is really compact and neat. The base of the keyboard is made out of sturdy plastic and it has a brushed metal face. This gives the keyboard a nice and premium look. The full-size mechanical keyboard that comes with a number pad is great for people who type on a daily basis and also game occasionally. The wrist holder that comes with it is made out of plastic, but I would have preferred a rubber one, which prevents your wrist from sliding while gaming or typing. Now keep in mind that it is a bit difficult to attach it. The keyboard comes with full RGB lighting and has 14 different color modes. On top of that, you can change the colors on each different mode. My favorite one is the rainbow fade effect. You can change modes by simply holding the function button and pressing the F9 button. To change the colors, you hold the function button and press the up or down button. And if you don't like any colors, you can also turn off the lighting completely by holding the function button and pressing the page down button. So, I'm quickly gonna go over all the 14 modes. The first one is the Starry Sky mode, where a few letters are gonna pulse in and out. The next one is the flashing mode, where the keyboard will flash different colors. And then we got the Parallel Hedging mode, which gives the keyboard a really cool effect. The Spectrum mode is where the colors slowly fade. The Breathing mode is gonna pulse the colors in and out. And then we got the Always On mode, which is personally my favorite one. The Ripple Spreading mode is when you press a button, it will ripple the keyboard from the inside to the outside. The Press Pulse mode, so basically every time you press a button, it will pulse the key. The On Click line, so when you click a button, it will light up the whole row. The Sine Wave, where the colors will lighten up from the inside to the outside. The Torrential Rain, the Wave mode, where the colors wave horizontally. The Rainbow Rotation, and the last one is the Flowers mode, so basically the keys light up randomly. Now, let's talk about the keys. I just want to say that I'm no expert in mechanical switches, as this is my first mechanical keyboard ever. This keyboard is supporting Cherry MX Blue switches, which I'm not really a fan of after testing them, simply because they're extremely loud. This can be a problem if you're living with roommates or simply with your parents, as it can get annoying, especially at night. But that doesn't mean that the keyboard is bad. In fact, I really like the feeling of it, and every time you press a button, you get an immediate response from each key. And if you're wondering how this keyboard sounds like, here's the sound test. Now, compared to other cheap mechanical gaming keyboards on the market right now, this is a very solid keyboard for the price, which is around $60. You get full RGB lighting in a compact design and with true mechanical switches. So, if you're looking for a mechanical gaming keyboard for under $100, I would definitely recommend you this one. But anyway guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, then give it a thumbs up, follow me on Twitter, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.